Sharing books on Kindle, the easy way.
Hello there. In today's digital era, sharing physical books is a breeze, but what about Kindle ebooks? Is it possible to share a book with someone else's Kindle without sharing your Amazon account? The answer is yes, and we're going to walk you through it.
Understanding Kindle's book sharing features.
First off, it's important to understand that Amazon has a feature known as Family Library, which allows you to share Kindle books with family members on the same Amazon account. However, for the purpose of this video, we're focusing on sending a book to a separate Amazon account, so this won't be the method we're using. Instead, we'll be utilizing the Send as Gift feature. This feature allows you to purchase a Kindle ebook as a gift, and Amazon will send it directly to the recipient's Kindle or Kindle reading app.
Steps to send a Kindle book as a gift.
Let's get into the specifics. 1. Start by going to the Amazon Kindle store. Find the book you wish to send as a gift. 2. On the book's product page, look for the button labeled Buy for Others. This is usually found under the regular purchase options. 3. Enter the recipient's email address. This should be the email address they use for their Amazon account. 4. Choose a delivery date. You can choose to send the ebook immediately or schedule it for a later date. 5. Add a personal message if you want, then proceed to checkout. The recipient will receive an email from Amazon with instructions on how to redeem their ebook gift. They will need to click Get Your Gift Now in the email, which will take them to Amazon where they can send the ebook to their preferred device.
Can you share books you've already purchased?
You might be wondering if it's possible to share books you've already purchased without having to buy them again as a gift. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Amazon does not have a feature that allows you to directly share books you've already purchased with someone else's Kindle. The Buy for Others feature is currently the only way to send a Kindle book to a separate Amazon account without sharing your own account details. So, that's how you can share a Kindle ebook with someone else's Kindle without sharing your Amazon account. It's as simple as finding the book, selecting Buy for Others, and sending the ebook directly to the recipient's email. I hope you found this video guide helpful, and happy reading!